Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on upgrading the HP Dragonfly laptop. In this video, we will cover the necessary tools, detailed steps for disassembly, and tips for optimal internal cleaning. Let's get started. First, let's make sure you have the right tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a Phillips No. 00 screwdriver, an ESD strap to prevent static damage, and a plastic spudger for safe disassembly. Having a clean workspace is also essential. Now, begin by powering off your HP Dragonfly and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel screws using the Torx T5 screwdriver. There are typically 6 screws along the perimeter. Keep these screws in a labeled container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. After the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components. Take this opportunity to clean the internal fans and heat sinks using compressed air. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, which may reduce performance. If you need assistance with this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's discuss upgrading the RAM and storage. Locate the RAM slots and the M.2 SSD slot. If you are replacing or upgrading these components, gently release the clips holding the RAM in place and pull it out. Insert the new RAM module at an angle, then press down until the clips click back into place. For the SSD, unscrew the securing screw, pull the old SSD out, and insert the new one, ensuring it's firmly in place before replacing the screw. If you don't have the tools needed for this upgrade, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. After you have upgraded the components, it's essential to reassemble the laptop properly. Place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Then, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before you power on your laptop, ensure all connections are secure and that there are no loose screws left. Once you are ready, power on the HP Dragonfly and check if your upgrades are recognized. You can do this by accessing the system properties in Windows. If you experience any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. This ensures you are informed and can make the best decision for your device. That concludes our upgrade tutorial for the HP Dragonfly. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your laptop's performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.